General characteristics of bacteria. 1. Bacteria are small microscopic and least differentiated microorganisms. These are believed to be amongst the first primitive organisms on the Earth possessing typical prokaryotic cell organization. 2. They are omnipresent, i.e. found in all possible habitats. 3. They are unicellular and may live in association with others in colonies. 4. The size, shape and arrangement of bacterial cells vary, and their size is about 0.5 micron to 3 micron. 5. They exhibit a variety of shapes, e.g., spheres, coccus, rods, bacillus, spirals, spirillum, curved, vibrio, etc. 6. They possess very rigid cell wall, which is not made up of cellulose, characteristic of plant cell walls. It generally contains a peptidoglycan, moraine, lipid and lipopolysaccharides. The rigid cell wall determines the shape of bacterial cells. 7. Nuclear material is not enclosed in a nuclear membrane. Nucleolus is absent. 8. An extra chromosomal DNA called plasmid is usually present in the cytoplasm. 9. Cell organelles include 70s type ribosome and mesosome formed by invagination of plasma membrane. Other organelles such as mitochondria, lysosomes, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, centriole etc. are absent. 10. Appendages like flagella and pili are present. Some pili are longer in some bacteria and are called as sex pili. Fig. 1.2, 1.3. Motility is brought about by flagella. The bacilli and spirilla are motile and the cocci are non-motile. Thus the bacteria may motile or non-motile. 11. When flagella are absent, the bacterium is called atrichous. In motile bacteria, the number and position of flagella vary. The arrangement may be monotrichous, a single polar flagellum, leucotrichous, a cluster of polar flagella, amphitrichous flagella at both the ends either singly or in cluster, cephalotrichous, two or more flagella at one end of the cell, peritrichous, cell surface evenly surrounded by several flagella. Fig. 1.4. 12. The flagella are hair-like or helical, consist of a single minute filament which is made up of fibrils of flagellin protein. Unlike hair, a flagellum grows at its tip rather than at base. 13. Bacteria are either gram-positive or gram-negative. Gram-positive bacteria retain violet color on gram staining, while gram-negative bacteria appear in red color. This is because of the difference in their cell walls. The cell wall of gram-positive bacteria contains several layers of peptidoglycan in addition to teichoic acid and low quantity of lipoprotein and lipid. In gram-negative bacteria, cell wall has thin layer of peptidoglycan and high amount of lipoprotein and lipid. Teichoic acid is absent in these bacteria. 14. In some bacteria, shorter and thinner hair-like appendages are present on the surface of the cell wall. These structures are called pili or fimbriae. Their function is to adhere the cell to surfaces and sometimes help in transfer of genome to other bacterial cells. These are called sex pili. 15. A bacterial cell is protected by a cell envelope made up of a capsule, a cell wall and a plasma membrane. The bacteria covered by a capsule are called capsulated bacteria, while the bacteria which do not contain a capsule are called non-capsulated bacteria. 16. Bacteria may be heterotrophic or autotrophic. Heterotrophic may be parasitic, saprophytic or symbiotic. For nutrition, autotrophs use CO2 as the source of carbon while heterotrophs use organic substances as the source of carbon. 17. Based on temperature tolerance of bacteria, they are of three types. Mesophilic bacteria grow well in temperature between 250 C-400 C. Thermophilic bacteria grow well above 400 century. Psychrophilic bacteria grow well in temperature less than 250 C. 18. On the basis of availability of O2, bacteria may be aerobic or anaerobic or facultative anaerobic. Aerobic bacteria use oxygen for respiration. Anaerobic bacteria use CO2. Facultative anaerobes use oxygen when it is available and use CO2 when oxygen is not available. 19. Bacteria reproduce by binary fission, budding, fragmentation, endospore, exospore and conodiaspore. 20. True sexual reproduction is lacking. However, genetic recombination occurs by conjugation, transformation and transduction.